Look at this, my wife is already here. Hardest working woman in the game. She already here. Open the door. What's up, Queen? We gotta list these hats right here. So Perez, he's been wanting some snapbacks for the longest time. So we finally got some snapbacks. We've had them here, sitting here for about 2 years. Nobody's listed them, so we're gonna list them now. Perez, I was counting on you to list them. This is your project. You did a great job, but you didn't finalize it. So we gotta come over here to the big photo booth. Turn this light on. Ooh. All right, beam teams are going out. So if you were on back order, you placed an order, you might be getting yours. But probably by the end of this month, first week of November, we should catch up on back orders, right?
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure. We're working hard to do it. Hi YouTube, what's going on? I got a couple things to unbox, so we're gonna do that now. Sometimes you order a bunch of stuff or people saying stuff and you forget that it's coming. First box is just extra batteries for my M50, and this right here is key. If you're going to record in the shop, the last thing you want to do is worry about batteries. So this thing right here, this is if you have a Canon M50, any camera. I think you can get one for pretty much any camera. Battery, this is the battery. But this battery has a port right here in the bottom. I don't know if you guys can see that. That port allows you to plug in power and plug this into the wall, so you don't gotta worry about batteries dying. It's busy in the shop and you gotta hurry up and switch batteries. That was the biggest headache for me. Fonz put me on to this and it's been a lifesaver. So I bought an extra one to keep at the shop and one to keep in my office where I record my reaction videos. But this unboxing is what I'm really excited for. So do you guys know a guy named Andy Authentic? Alright. Dude is the GOAT. Check this out. I don't know if you guys know a cut that went viral on television. That cut right there went stupid viral. Andy Authentic. So, Andy's good people's, man. We've met many times at shows. He's an educator for Babyless as well. But he posted something. He posted a bag. And you guys know I haven't really been able to find that one bag. That bag that I can depend on when I go to travel and I'm moving all my stuff around. So, GMB Pro. I don't know if this is Andy's company. I don't know how he's affiliated with it. But when I told him I needed that, he said, say no more. What's your address? And he sent me one. So I'm stupid excited to check it out because from the pictures, it looked like the one. It really did. Now, I don't know all the details. I don't know if they have a different colorway, but I actually rock with the colorway. For some of you guys, it might be too loud, but I actually rock with it. I like it. It's gonna stand out when I need to find it. Cause at hair shows, what? Or at the airport? Bro. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let me try it on real quick. Let me try it on. Oh, I got the little clip here. Oh, it says Andy Authentic on it. This might be a collab right here. Okay. Be at the airport, you know what I'm saying? With the maleta behind you, in this hand. You know what I'm saying? I like it. It's comfortable. To me, it's not too big. Like, it's not that big, but I mess with it. Got my boy's signature right here, Andy Authentic. I'm messing with it. Let me give you guys some zoomed in shots. Alright, now let's look inside the bag real quick. Let's open up these zippers. Let's see what the pockets are looking like. I don't know what these pockets are, but they come off. They come back on. Andy, you're gonna have to give me an explanation for what these pockets are. Or maybe you guys in the comment section know what that's about. It literally comes on, goes right back on. I don't know what that's about. Alright, quick little pocket right here. Another quick access pocket, which I do like having right in the front, easy to get. Alright, so we're gonna open up the first big pocket. See what we got. Oh dang, look at this. So you could put like clippers here. Okay, little quick access pocket here. What's this about? Oh, this is to keep the flap from going all the way back, which is smart because you don't want that just flying back and your clippers are there. All right, got a little net here. This is where you put your rechargeable battery so you could charge. Now let's open up the second big compartment. Oh yeah, guys, that's not legit right there. That's not legit. You got all the compartments here. What's it? Oh, wait a second. Watch this one. Yo, look at this. Tell him to stop playing. Andy, stop playing with him, bro. Oh yeah, you guys snapped with this one. So I could just set up my book bag and just open up my station just like that. Comes with extra little trays and stuff, so you can set up compartments in here as well, which is very smart. More clippers. I'm gonna fill this out, bro, but we might need to do a Tomb 45 collab as well. I'm gonna use it for a while, see if it lasts. But man, if this lasts, we gotta get the Tomb 45 collab, bro. This is crazy. Put a bunch of clippers in here. Bro, more pockets here. I'm breathing extra heavy. Put your shears here. You pull up to a house call with this, I'm gonna use it for traveling, but you pull up to a house call with this, you might be able to raise your prices like right away. I'm messing up, play. But this is gonna be so dope. Like, I can't wait to travel now with this bag. I'm gonna have to put a Tomb 45 patch on it, you know, for the branding. Andy Authentic, GMB Pro, Tomb 45 collab. Now that I've opened it up and I've seen like everything about this bag, I'm impressed by it. Very well designed. And I can't wait to use it. I can't wait to beat it up a little bit, see how it lasts with all the traveling I do. Most bags don't really last that long with me, man. Especially when we start traveling again, they get beat up. But this bag right here is really nice, and sure, I'm gonna go out my way to take care of it. It's really, really nice. I like the colorway too, man. Andy, good job with the colorway. This is a dope bag. Let me see where you can get it from. Guys, this is not a sponsored video, but you can get it from GMB Pro. They sent me a bag. They just hooked it up, man. So I appreciate it. We've done similar for barbers, man. We don't really expect anything back besides some feedback on the product. But so far, man, this bag looks dope. I'm not telling you to get it, but I'm telling you, if you like what you saw and you're willing to invest into it and see what it's like, go for it. But so far, man, just the feeling of it, it's a great material. It's not like it's gonna stain or anything like that. I think it's gonna last a while. I think it's gonna last a while, especially if you take care of it. But shout out to Andy Authentic, GMB Pro, appreciate it, guys. You know what? The one thing I wish it had was a compartment for my laptop. That's the one thing I wish it had, but I'm gonna have to figure out a way. What I'll probably do is just put my laptop in like a sleeve and then probably just put it on that front pocket. This pocket has a lot of like cushion and stuff, so I might be able to get away with that. That's the only thing I wish it had. Maybe like a sleeve right here in the back that would have held the laptop or something, I don't know. But overall, this is crazy. Yo, I feel like that unboxing, it reminds me of the last vlog I did where I was talking about the growth potential of being a barber. And one of the things you could do is open a barbershop, open a barber school, or create your own products. Solve issues for an industry. If you become an expert in your field and bring value to a field that probably has hundreds of thousands of other professionals within it, then that is success. That's something that by accomplishing that, you're not just paid fulfillment, but I mean the money follows, the recognition follows, your legacy follows. Like, you're helping people. That book bag right there is gonna help people who've been looking for a bag that checks a bunch of boxes. And so I don't care what field you're in, if you could do something to help and improve it, there's no ceiling to that, you know? So you can focus your attention to your clients, to your customers, and do something like that for your customers. You can focus that on other barbers, you can focus that on barbershop owners or school owners, but you solve problems and you add value, and the success ceiling doesn't exist. It's crazy how that works. Before we end this vlog, I just want to update you guys. I am investing 10% of my income into Robinhood and M1 Finance. And the way I'm doing it is I'm using 5% of my income like on auto invest. So I created a pie on M1 Finance. I'll show you guys the pie real quick. All right, this is my pie. I'm not a financial advisor, so don't copy me. I don't know what I'm doing, but this is what I'm doing. This is my pie, and this is what makes up my pie. I'm very, very bullish on Tesla, Amazon, Square, and Apple, and Shopify. So I put a lot of my pie into it. But it's made up of different companies where I allocate my funds. And so every week, 5% of my income is going into this pie, automatically invested. I don't ever have to check this app again. I can check it a year from now and see what happened. And if you wanted to, you can put that pie into like a 401k or an self-directed IRA. You can do that if you want to. I personally don't want to because I don't want to lock it into an IRA or anything like that. Like, if I end up selling it after a couple years, I'll pay the taxes on it. Because most of those stocks that I'm invested in are growth stocks. They're not like dividend or long-term stocks that are safe, are stable. So for me, it's all about growth. I'm trying to do 20% or more returns, and those stocks have the potential to do it. They're riskier, but they have the potential to do it. And then my Robinhood account, what I'm doing is I'm putting the other 5% into Robinhood. So what I'm doing with my Robinhood is I am investing into opportunities that I think could grow in the next a year or less holds. For example, right now Croc is booming, and I feel like it's going to continue to boom with all the collabs. I see people of all demographics wearing them. I think during the holidays they're going to boom more, and so I think in the next 6 months to a year they're going to grow pretty rapidly, and the stocks I feel like are going to reflect that. So I'm putting my other 5% into stocks like that have short-term high growth potential. Pretty much like it's not money that I depend on, but if I do make some money, cool. If I lose a little bit, cool. I wasn't dependent on that money, but it's 5% that I'm putting into stuff like that. Another company that I invested in was Celsius. I don't know if you guys have seen Celsius energy drinks, but I've been seeing them pop up like all over the place, and I actually enjoy them. I feel like they're a healthier, like I like the green tea ones and stuff. I feel like they're a healthier version of Banks, and they're popping up everywhere. They're booming, and if you look at their company, they're doing great. So like 5% is going to M1, right? Those are like my 5-year holds, my 2 to 5 year holds. My Robinhood is my year or less holds, what I believe is a year or less hold. And so 5% is going into my long-term holds, and the other 5% is going into my short-term holds. And that's because I'm young. I'm making some decent money now, and I want to diversify where my money's at. For the longest time, we've had 100% of our money into our own businesses, diversifying a little bit. And so 5% is into my short-term stocks. From that 5%, I've allocated the majority into Croc and some of it into Celsius. I don't know if you guys are into stocks, but as barbers, I never hear barbers talking about it, and I feel like it's super important because this is how you create and you control your own retirement. There's a thing called compound interest. There are different avenues, different vehicles you can use to invest into stocks, and it's never been easier to do it than now with all these apps and stuff. But if you want to take control of your benefits, your retirement, that type of thing, these are the things that you need to start learning about, looking into. Yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys. If you guys want free stock on Robinhood, there'll be a link in the description below. You can use that affiliate link and it'll give you free stock. And if you use M1, I think it gives you like $10 or $20 or something like that if you use the link below as well. So I'll put those in the description below. I highly encourage you guys to start getting educated on investing and make it part of your lifestyle. I don't care if you're putting $10 into the market, or you're investing $10 every week or every month. I don't care what it is. It just needs to become routine and part of your lifestyle. But aside from that, man, real estate is definitely something that we want to get into more of, especially on the commercial side, and that's something we plan on doing. I think that stocks is available to anyone. It's accessible to everyone, and it's so easy. As long as you have a phone, you can get involved. That's why I want to share that with you guys. Hopefully that helps you out, guys. That's the end of the vlog. I appreciate you guys for checking out another one, and we're going to continue this daily upload grind. We got tutorials coming. We got more reaction videos coming. Yeah, anytime you guys have ideas or anything like that for vlogs or things I could cover, concepts I could cover, just let me know in the comment section below. Love you guys. See you on the next video.